My name's Jessica Chamberlain. I'm from Chamberlain Property. We develop full-time, all different properties around Melbourne, and yeah, I'm excited for you guys to come and see our latest project. So I became a developer a couple of years ago. Our background was developing townhouses in the western suburbs of Melbourne, and reached out to Build Her and joined their developer course, their masterclass for a year, and that was an amazing journey through how you lift spaces and create kind of moments in each space. I think natural light is one of our favourite features in these houses. We've made sure to keep all of our windows really oversized, and that's why the furnishings look so good as well. We've made sure that every single room has a beautiful outdoor aspect that you're looking at. I guess another feature would be our joinery. We've spent a lot of time doing bespoke joinery for each of the spaces, and that includes our curved bench seat and upholstery. Another feature would be our lighting. I love all of our feature lights, our pendant lights, our wall lights. They can really create a beautiful aesthetic and soften rooms. It's been really important that each of the dwellings feel really private, but also aesthetically that they feel like they can block out as much light as they need to and also open up as much light as they need to. And the window furnishings really allow people to control that as much as they want. And throughout the day, just how each of the spaces change depending on what window furnishings we've got. It's been really beautiful. The installers were really great. They made the process really, really fun. DIY sent through 2 guys for the day, and they smashed it out really, really fast. I definitely would say it's worth the investment. We've had it quoted before on other jobs, and I've never felt like it was necessarily worth it. But now, as I said before, like seeing the finished product, I think paying for blinds, and especially with a lot of their products that are on the cost efficient side, like they just look so beautiful in person, and when you touch and feel them, you can tell that they're good quality and, you know, made in Australia, and just really sturdy curtains. Now that we've done it in this project, I don't think I'd do another project again without putting window furnishings in. I think it just finishes off the spaces to create that emotional connection for people, and especially in hero places when people walk in, it really is that wow factor that kind of takes it to another level. Even though they're not a massive expense, sometimes when people don't include it, it feels like they've cheaped out at the end, or that it's not as high end of a product, when really it's such a cost efficient way to lift spaces and make them feel more high end.